Hey everyone, it's Evan with McLean's RV in Sanger, Texas. I want to present to you a new reflection line that we got here at McLean's. It's going to be the 322 FKTS. You guys haven't seen this on our channel yet, so I wanted to bring it to you exclusive and first. First and foremost, the most important thing about this travel trailer that I find interesting is the counter space that they have in the kitchen. Take a look. This is a wraparound kitchen all the way around, guys. That's going to be hard surface countertops with the farm sink. And look at that window right there, guys. That's the first for the reflection line on a travel trailer. We have that automotive grade window in the front. It brings in a lot of that natural light. It even has a little shelf there. So if you want to put a little plant, or if you have a cat that wants to lay and hang out, and it also has a nice nightshade that you can also block everything out so you can keep it nice and cool whenever you want to while you're cooking in here. Hey guys, just to go over some of the specs of the 322 FKTS, I want to make sure everybody knows that you have fully laminated walls with R9 value, double insulated floors with R30 value. You have double insulated roof with the R40 value, and also you have a double insulated front cap at the R40. This is going to be a 4-season package that Grand Design offers. You're going to get the big 16 cubic foot refrigerator. You guys are going to get everything that you need to go camping right away. Also, when you think about the warranties that Grand Design offers, they offer you a 5-year axle warranty. Also equipped on this particular camper, guys, it's going to be equipped on 180 watts of solar on the roof with a 60 amp charge controller. A lot of my customers that take a look at this camper, they don't think it's a travel trailer just because they have this so much kitchen space here. You get the full residential style appliances in this particular camper. You get the full microwave. You get the full oven. I think you can put a nice little turkey or Cornish hen in there for sure. As you guys also look around all the different, look at the cutler that they built in there. They also have a dedicated spot just for trash cans as well, which I do appreciate that from Grand Design on this particular floor plan. As you guys pan over here where I'm standing, you also have a nice sitting area. Now this is optional. You can go with theater seating here, but if you want to bring more folks with you, this does pull out to a full bed, guys, and we'll pull that out here in the video as well. As you walk back here, you see we have our residential style refrigerator as well, giving that fifth wheel feel in a travel trailer form. And we got to appreciate that from Grand Design. I love this wall here. You got the little co-hooks as well with this accent wall. I love how Grand Design did that. Also, when you come into the entry here, you have places to store your shoes under here. You have the doggy bowl as well. And I just want to make sure we always remember our furry little friends that we bring along with us on these journeys. Also, check out the pantry. They didn't forget the pantry. I know you guys were asking about it, looking for it. Like, where would I put everything else? Well, you got a pantry right here, a nice big pantry covered here. And you also have one over here just to make sure you guys didn't see it. Let me just get another one here for you. So you got some space there, also on top, and that's going to be deep. And I love the tinted glass on that. That is so nice. Some more storage up there. Make sure we get all that. This kitchen is phenomenal. So as I bring you guys back through, we're going to go to the bedroom here. Before we do that, let me show you the pocket door that it does come with. So for families, anyone that needs some privacy, you guys want to close that off. It's that simple. Magnet latch. Give you some privacy there. As we come into the bedroom slash office, yeah, I said office because it has a desk built in right here, guys. You can pull your chair up, get some work done right in front of this window. We have this open because we are in Texas and it is warm. We don't have any AC rolling, but that goes to tell you that with the windows open, with the cross breeze going, and the way that Grand Design builds their RVs, that R factor that they put in these RV walls is going to make it so much cooler than the competition. This is what we always stress to our customers when they come walk through our campers. Can you feel the difference in the temperature in this one and then some of my competitors? Definitely this desk space here in front of this window as you work while you're on the road. That way you can't never be away from work if you need to work while you're on the road or on the go. You got plenty of storage as well. We got plenty of pull-outs there. And that's 3 on that side, 2 on that side. And then we got some hanging wardrobe space as well on both sides. Above the window, a TV backer location is there. So if you wanted to mount a TV, you could do that as well. Or if you wanted to put a computer monitor up there or whatever you wanted, guys, you can do that there. I want to show you the soft closing drawers here, or the actual cabinets that they have, which is nice. Another option on this Grand Design model floor plan on this 322, you do get an option to go king bed. This is the king bed option. You can go queen if you like. The queen is standard, but here at McLean's, we like to order everything with king sometimes. And guess what? Mr. McLean got the king bed. So there's some storage up there for your CPAP machine, your storage or whatnot. You can store up there or even on the side over there. And this is in the king bed option. Also, the headboard itself is padded, which is nice. I do like that. Once again, the cross breeze from the windows, the blackout shades, you guys, if you need it. And also the wood balances there that they do. Gotta love that. Once again, want to step back into another part of the RV. As you see, they broke up the different sections of the RV, which I do appreciate. That's going to give you a real nice fifth wheel feel because they broke up the different rooms. So as we come back here to the bathroom, the first thing you guys are going to see here is a huge wardrobe space. But since it's so big, you know what that means? Washer and dryer prep, guys. You got it. You can get a washer and dryer in there combo, easy, no problem. You will lose some of your closet space, but if you guys need that and that's a must for our full timers, well, guess what? You got it with a Grand Design. Nice pull out here so you can store whatever you need. Now I'm gonna have a seat on the toilet to see if it's the prime pooping position, as my boy Matt says from Matt's RV. Let's sit on down. That's porcelain. I got plenty of elbow room. Move around. I think I can even watch TV from here. I would say that's a prime pooping position. One thing I do like about this floor plan back here, any customers I bring that has a spouse, a wife, or anything, when I bring them back here to this bathroom and they get the dual sinks here, they really, really, really enjoyed. They enjoyed all the storage that you have back here. I don't know how much you can see this is built out. That's all blank space there that you can store whatever you need as far as toiletries here in this bathroom. You get 2 magnetic cabinets. Now, ain't that something? On both sides, a his and a her. So we gotta love that. Oh, sorry. There we go. You guys can't be pulling the drawers out at the same time there. But you guys gonna get that space. That was a big one. And you're gonna get a lot of space under there as well. I'm gonna hop in the shower, guys. I'm 5'9". I'm a skinny guy, but definitely there's plenty of space for 2 people. You have a place to sit as well, built-in seat, which I do appreciate. Don't mind the pink stuff. That's just going to be antifreeze. We winterize all our coaches here. This is a glass shower, which some people do appreciate. Let me just show you how it goes. That's pretty nice. No slingshot fabric on this one. This is going to be like a fifth wheel, so you're going to get everything residential style feeling. Definitely, guys, let's walk back to the front here. Okay. All right, guys, we're on the outside of the 322 FKTS. I wanted to show you a couple key things. As you can see, the pass-through storage that they were able to put in this particular floor plan, The reason why this floor plan is so tough for a lot of our competition is because the storage solutions, because the kitchen sits over the front. It's kind of hard to make a true big storage, but Grand Design has figured a way to give you maximize that storage space through that pass through. You have your universal docking station that Grand Design is known for, that everybody loves, makes it simple, makes it easy for you guys can be camping right away. Also, what I love about this travel trailer, guys, it has auto leveling. A lot of my customers appreciate that. It has auto leveling here. All you do is come here and kind of just like your fifth wheels, you're going to set it and forget it. Also, guys, I can show you how Grand Design makes everything nice and clean and accessible for you. You have your battery disconnect, and you also have your solar disconnect. And people ask me all the time, why would I need a solar disconnect? Well, if you stored this inside of a storage facility and you guys didn't have sun hitting your solar panels, you will want to disconnect the solar and the battery because it would have a negative draw on your battery. So Grand Design makes it so easy for you guys to access your cartridge controller, your disconnects, everything below. Makes camping easy and very easy, and I appreciate that from Grand Design. And I got one more storage down here, guys, I want to show you. That's going to be enough room to put some more stuff in there. That's going to be right under your bed in your bedroom as well, under that king bed. So it's nice that they can put some stuff under there for you as well. I want to show you the wheel package on this particular reflection. These are ST225-75R15. These are going to be the Goodyear endurance tires. The red calipers that you guys see, and also that little stem that you see that's red. There's two significant things with that. The red calipers are going to be for the anti-lock braking system that Grand Design has done with Lippert, which is going to be game changing. You guys are somewhere, you have to stop fast. Well, guess what? Anti-lock brakes are going to help you stop that swaying and stop this camper from coming in the front. Also, the red stem that you see there where you put your air in, you know what that means? There's beads inside of here, guys, to keep this tire balanced, level, and as you're going down the road, there's actual beads in there. Other competitors are not doing that. Also, if you look at the suspension down there, you have the MoreRide CRE 3000. That's going to be greasable wet bolts, and that's going to be the shackles that you can upgrade. Those are already upgraded, guys. You don't have to upgrade them. Grand Design has done it. So as we walk back up front, guys, I wanted to point out this AC return here. Throughout this coach, everything is ducted. But I wanted to point this return here out because as you go through the kitchen as well, there's another return. So what that's going to mean is you got two ACs on this puppy. You got a 15K and a 13.5 AC on top. So it's going to keep this coach nice and cool. Also with the insulation factor that it has, it's going to keep it nice and cool. Let's check this refrigerator out. I know a lot of people like to see inside. So that's going to be nice. You're going to be able to store all your groceries there, guys. Not a problem. Also, I want to show you guys the control panel here. We got Compass Connect. That's going to set up through your iPhone, through your Android Auto. You can download any app and it will work for you guys. Also, you got the JBL speakers throughout. You can play your music, your Bluetooth, your phone, whatever you guys like to vibe to. When you guys are out camping, enjoying yourself with your family, you can play that on those speakers, and you got to enjoy that. One thing also I want to point out to you guys that Grand Design is one of the only manufacturers in the game that offers a transferable warranty currently in the market. That's going to give you a 1-year bumper to bumper or hitch to bumper warranty. It's going to give you a 3-year structural warranty and a 5-year frame warranty. And that's transferable. But you're like, what does that mean for me as a consumer? Well, that means to you as a consumer, when you want to sell this camper, you can show that someone that that's buying the RV from you the value in the RV. Hey, this still has a manufacturer warranty attached to it that I could pass along to you when you buy this camper from me. So that goes to show you that the resale value that a Grand Design has over the competition is going to be second to none. Highly recommended. The way they build it is going to be the best. Please contact me today. My number's below. My name is Evan. I'm Inner Sanger. And I didn't say as many times as I've done before. Thank you. Have a good day. Hope to see you guys again.